8時40分ごろ、学校へ行きます。ごろ。
Around, about. It means around or about and is often used with times of the day or vague time frames.
カレーの匂いがする。がする。
Smell, hear, taste. This expression is used to convey the senses, such as smell, hearing, or taste. It indicates that one can sense or perceive something using a particular sense.
彼も私と同じく疲れているはずだ。はずだ。
It must be, it should be. To express a strong expectation or assumption, it indicates that something must be or should be the case based on logical reasoning or evidence.
彼は動物園に行きたがる。がる。
To show signs of, to feel, to think. Someone shows signs of the adjective. It's often used to describe the emotional state or tendencies of others.
お飲み物は無料でございます。でございます。
To be honorific. This is a polite and honorific expression used to indicate existence or to state that something is in a respectful manner. It is often used in formal situations.
このアパートには引っ越してきたばかりだ。ばかり。
Only, nothing but. When you want to emphasize that something is exclusive or predominant.
夕食の後で映画を見ようか。後で。
After, later. When referring to actions or events that will occur after the current time.
あまり肉を食べない。あまり、ない。
Not very, not much. To describe the degree or frequency of an action.
二人は来年結婚するらしいです。らしい。
Seems like. The Japanese word rashi is a suffix that is often used to express an inference, likelihood, or appearance based on external evidence or information.
君にどうしてもそれを言わせたかったんだ。させる。
To make or let somebody do something. The verb ending saseru in Japanese is a causative form. It is used to indicate the action of making or letting someone do something.